Come here, Gracie. Psst, psst. Oh my goodness. Gracie. Oh, look at you, you sweet girl. I hate hearing my voice when I record stuff. That's the only problem.
She's so much calmer. Huh?
Oh, I know. Hey, Gracie. Psst, psst. Oh my goodness. And look at you. You probably grab this phone out of my hand, won't you? This thing takes the best videos too. These are going to be good.
Well, she's 5 and he's still an infant.
Oh, okay.
That's why he's a crazy boy. How old is he? He's not even a year and a half.
I thought they were sisters and brothers.
Oh, no. They're not even from the same. He's from the same line as my other two, and she's from Ocala.
Oh, okay.
What's
You're
Ocala?
an Ocala Corgi.
Florida, down by where the horses are.
It took me forever to find a Corgi when I first wanted one. That was
They're still hard.
17 years ago.
Yeah, I got my first Molly. I got 15 years ago from a breeder that's actually 5 minutes away, and then I got his uncle from them.
Elizabeth Hanger's who I bought it from.
Yeah.
Over in Buckhead. Elizabeth Hanger. I never will forget because my hand was shaking when I went to pick him up.